Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're a fan of Dave Ramsey's EveryDollar app, you know how powerful it is for tracking your budget and staying on top of your finances. But what happens when you need a fresh start? Maybe it's the beginning of a new month, or you've just had some major financial changes. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to reset your EveryDollar budget step by step. It's easier than you think, and it'll help you keep your money management clean and effective. Let's dive in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your EveryDollar account. You can do this on the mobile app or the website, whichever you prefer. Once you're in, head straight to the main dashboard. This is where you'll see your current budget overview, including your income, expenses, and categories. Now, look for the menu icon. It's usually 3 dots or lines in the top corner. Tap or click on that to open more options. From there, navigate to the Budget section. EveryDollar makes it user-friendly, so you should spot a Reset Budget or Start New Budget button pretty quickly. If you're on the app, it might be under Settings. On the web version, it's often right in the budget view. When you find it, select the Reset option, and the app will prompt you to confirm. This is important because resetting will clear your current data, so double-check that you're ready. Once confirmed, EveryDollar will wipe the slate clean, leaving you with a blank budget template. Now's your chance to set up new categories, enter fresh income amounts, and allocate expenses based on your updated financial situation. And just like that, you're all set. Resetting your budget not only helps you avoid the clutter of old data but also keeps you motivated and accountable. If you run into any issues, check the app's help section or reach out to their support. They're super helpful. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial saved you time, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more finance tips and tricks. See you in the next video.